I thought we'd start the assembly with some Lambda. So sit back and enjoy Thomas and Harry and their rather fantastic performance.
Have you ever seen finals? Have you ever seen a sheet on a riverbed? Or a single hair from a hammer's head? Has the foot of a mountain any toes? And is there a pair of garden hose? Does the needle ever wink its eye? Why doesn't the wing of a building fly? Can you tickle the ribs of a parasol? Or open the trunk of a tree at all? Are the teeth of a rake ever going to bite? Have the hands of a clock any left or right? Can the garden plot be deep and dark? And what is the sound of the birches bark? Have you ever
Very nice, boys. Very nice indeed. And I thought that was a really nice way of starting our assembly this morning. So we have certificates. We have golden awards. And look at us, no blurry background this week. So you can see your name and the reason in full Technicolor glory. So I thought let's start with those beautiful people down in kindergarten who have been working very hard in a swimming pool. And we have some Stanley Awards. So kindergarten, sitting up straight, listening, ears forward, focused. Right. Oh, yes, James Carver. James, talking to you. You get the award, and the teachers are there, they've got their badges, your badges and things. You get the 10-meter award, James Carver. You are the star. But that is not all, because James, you are so good that you also get your Stanley One Award. Woo! Give James a big virtual pat on the back. Fantastic. And I will get these certificates to you later, kindergarten. Right. Is it just James in kindergarten? Of course it's not. It's also STA 1, 2, Oliver Davis. Oliver Davis, congratulations. Well done. Great work, sir. And as if that wasn't enough excitement for one day, we have an award for building the tension here. Luke, congratulations. And another lovely fellow, always friendly, always got a big smile. Hugo, well done, Hugo Trahan, what a star. And another one with a big smile who's always got lots to say, and it's for, who do you think it's for? It's for Jax Edwards. Well done, Jax. Congratulations, Jax. And as if that wasn't enough, we have an award for everybody who's going to be kindergarten. Ooh, sitting still on our bottoms, not wiggling too much in excitement. Nahali, Vijay. Well done, Nahali. Great stuff. And not to be outdone, it's the lovely J-Deep. Well done. And as if that's not enough, it's the youngest of the Chancellor brothers. It's Aaron. Congratulations, Aaron. And that's not enough. Still not enough. We have an award for James Aspland. James. Well done, James. And we have an award for Max Appleyard. Well done, Max. Oh my goodness, we're on to STA 2 now. STA 2. This boy has already got a 1 and a distance award. This goes to James Carver. Lightning in the pool, future champion. And as if that wasn't enough, We have a level 3 award in kindergarten. Incredible, outstanding work. Well done. If your name is Camilla Millie, well done, Millie. Millie. Brilliant work. Lovely. I know, Millie, you've got a massive smile on your face at the moment. I can just picture it. So, well done, you wonderful kindergarten people. You are all superstars. Now, that doesn't mean, though, that everybody else has been forgotten, because we have golden certificates, if your teacher has remembered. So, they're all mixed up, and I'm not even going to put them in order today. I'm just going to pick them at random, because it's just more fun to do it that way. And we're going to start with year 2-3. And this goes to this young man. Oh, I love these reasons, Mrs. Smith, for being a voracious, what a great word, voracious reader, who not only reads his books from school, but is working his way through a steady stream of authors at home as well. Wow, seriously cool. Well done to Chrissy Chandler. Woo! Okay, right, up to year, is she really in year 5? Incredible. Right, unerring diligence. Oh, we've got some great words. We've had voracious, we've had unerring diligence in all that she does. She always tries her hardest and shows great resilience. Oh, we've got some great words today. Great resilience. Well done to Miley Cullen. Well done. Right. Ooh, up down to year 4 now. Just a little step down to year 4. Mrs. Berman, are they all looking excited? Are they all looking around? Who's it going to be for making fabulous effort and determination in his big right? He's a boy. Keep it up. Wait for it. Who's it going to be? Looking around the room. Harry Brace. Harry. Well done. Oh, this is nice, because we've had 2 new people join us this week, of course. We've had the lovely Riley and the lovely Lexi. And it's been really lovely to see them join the school, and I think they seem to be settling in really well. And so the Golden Award for year 4, we've already had one for Harry. The other Golden Award for year 4 goes for settling into year 4 so well and becoming part of the team. Well done, Riley. Riley O'Sullivan. Riley, you're part of the team. Right. Now. Oh, year 6. Oh, this person has stood out to Mrs. Clements this week for showing enthusiasm and growing confidence in math. Good girl. Oh, it's a girl. Is it one of you? Which girl is it? Looking around the room. Is it Alice? Is it Zena? Is it Ella? Is it... No, it's not. It's Francesca. Well done. And of course, we can't say well done to Riley without saying well done to Big Sister as well. So well done to Lexi for settling in so quickly and becoming part of the class. Right. Oh, well, lovely. So your growing confidence during phonics session, we're in reception now. Your growing confidence in phonics sessions. It's great to see you believing in yourself more. Keep believing. Keep the faith. Yeah. Right. Oh, not to be outdone by Big Sister. This goes to Kennedy. It's going to be a double celebration in the Cullen house tonight. Well done. I hope you've got room in the fridge. Okay. And finally, to year 1. And this is to... Oh, yes, well deserved. This is from Mrs. Case, of course, and Mrs. Berman. This young lady is a lady. Amazing and enthusiastic work at home. Reading every single night. And a smiley face. This goes to Shreya Singh. Shreya. Well done, Shreya. That is brilliant. So we have got golden awards, we have had swimming certificates, we have enjoyed a lambda performance, and it's not even for 9:15.